So students, we have started our e-class and our first chapter is The Rise of Christianity. In this chapter, we will learn about how Christianity came. So first of all, we talk about some words which came in this chapter. If you want to write these words, please pause the video and write. So first one is medieval. Medievals come from a Latin word which means time in the middle. The medieval period is the period between the ancient and the modern periods. Messiah. Messiah is a liberator of an oppressed people or country, the promised deliverer of the Jews. Christ. The Christ is the Messiah, the title given to Jesus. Old Testament. The Old Testament constitutes the first major part of the Bible. It is traditionally divided into the categories of law, history, poetry, and prophecy. Baptism. Baptism is the Christian rite of sprinkling water on a person's forehead or immersing him/her in water, symbolizing purification and admissions to the Christian church. Resurrected. Resurrected means to be returned to life after death. The Gospels. The Gospels are the first 4 books of the New Testament, the second part of the Bible, and tell the story of Christ's life and teachings. Crusades. Crusades were the holy wars waged by the Christians against the Turks who had captured the lands of the Christians emperor of Constantinople and Jerusalem. Now the chapter is started. So in first paragraph, historians have divided the study of the past into periods. The periods that lies between the ancient and the modern periods is known as the middle or the medieval period. It must be remembered that the medieval period did not begin at the same time in all parts of the world. Neither did the change from the ancient to the medieval period happen overnight. It was a gradual process. The medieval period in India stretched from the 8th to the 18th century. The 18th century is generally taken as the beginning because society, economy, polity, culture and religion underwent many changes. Similarly, the 18th century witnesses many more changes, making the end of the medieval period and the beginning of the modern period. The medieval period in Europe, on the other hand, stretched from the 6th century to the 16th century. Historians describe the period as a dynamic one in which social, political, economic, cultural, and religious structures were redefined and reorganized. So now, our study of history divided into 3 periods: ancient, middle, and modern. We can call ancient as early, middle as medieval. So, today we talk about medieval and Christianity. See, we got the link. Christianity came from Jesus Christ. When some life-changing situations happen, it turns into period, and it not happen overnight. It was very slow process. It is not same for every places. European have another ancient and medieval, and for India has another. The medieval period of India is from 8th to 18th century, and in Europe it from 6th to 16th century. So what happened that time that changed the life of people there? Answer is the birth of Jesus Christ.